In ecology, a community refers to all the different populations of organisms that live together in the same area at the same time. Think of it as a neighborhood where many different species share the same space and interact with each other. A community is defined as all the different populations of organisms living together in the same area at the same time. The key word here is different populations. While a population consists of individuals of the same species, a community includes multiple species coexisting in one location. Communities have two essential components. First, they consist of multiple populations, meaning different species living together. Second, these populations share the same geographic location. Both conditions must be met for a community to exist. Let's look at a forest community as an example. In a single forest, you might find deer populations, squirrel populations, bird populations, and tree populations all living together. Each of these represents a different species, but together they form one forest community. It's important to understand the difference between a population and a community. A population refers to all individuals of one species in an area, such as all the deer in a forest. A community, on the other hand, includes multiple species in an area, such as deer, squirrels, birds, and trees all together. Within communities, different species interact with each other in various ways. These interactions include predation, where one organism eats another, competition, where species compete for resources, mutualism, where both species benefit, parasitism, where one benefits at the expense of another, commensalism, where one benefits and the other is unaffected, and symbiosis, which refers to close long-term relationships between species. Communities can be characterized in several ways. Species diversity and richness tell us how many different species exist in the community. Relative abundance describes how common or rare each species is. Communities also feature complex food webs and energy flow, showing how energy moves through different species. Let's review the key points. First, communities include all populations in an area, not just one species. Second, different species within communities interact in various ways, from cooperation to competition. Third, communities are dynamic and interconnected, with each species playing a role in the overall ecosystem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.